Driving down the highway, just you and me, in our big rig, living wild and free. With our two pups in the back, tails wagging bright, we're chasing dreams under the stars at night. Husband and wife, we're a trucking team. Through the ups and downs, we're living the dream. From coast to coast, we deliver the load. Together we ride on this winding road.
Hey y'all, welcome back. After a minor repair and an annual DOT inspection, we hop over to Baxter Springs, Kansas and pick up a load that runs us down to Charleston, South Carolina for our next day delivery. Come along for the ride and see what you think. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate y'all being here. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for hitting that like button. We are here in Joplin, Missouri at the Petro, or Joplin 44. Got a little bit of an issue with the truck that we're going to get looked at and hopefully get solved today because I need an annual DOT inspection. Let's do it. And they said it'll be about an hour, maybe a little more, because I've got a marker laid out. It's not the bulb. The bulb is good, but something went. So we'll get it figured out, hopefully here at the Joplin 44. We're still here now. It's after 10. We were told at 7:30 it'd be 2 hours, and then I went back in at 3 hours and then told it was going to be 2 hours. So I ran to APU repair place here in Joplin, which I believe is called Joplin APU, and got a new alternator from my APU. And so, give that guy a check out. If you're in this area and you need work done in your APU, he's a good guy, very knowledgeable, knows his stuff. So let's go in here and let him know we're back and see how it looks. All right, y'all. Chewing on some chips, but we're in the bay. We're getting work done. Looks like it's going to be a non-super complicated fix, but they said they get it done, and we'll do an annual DOT at the same time, and be ready to go. Hello everybody, how's everybody doing? Well, to recap, you see me at the beginning where I was talking about repairing the APU, changing out the alternator. Well, I started on that project. I got most of the stuff taken apart, but I was having issues with one of the bolts. I couldn't figure out where it came in from or whatever. I thought I was loosening it, and I guess I wasn't. I don't know what I was doing. I was messing everything up. First time ever doing it. So I contacted this guy, and I'll put the name up here somewhere. Good guy, good shop. If you're ever in the Joplin area, he's 5 miles north of the Flying J. Great dude. Had the parts I needed. I needed an alternator. He had that part. I definitely would travel to go back there. I don't care if I got to come cross country to have that guy work on my APU, I'd go there, just because of the sheer amount of knowledge he has on any type of APU. Had me in and out of there in less than an hour, and his hourly rate's really good too. It's not crazy expensive, so it was nice. Annual DOT inspection done. That was taken care of. I had a light issue, had that taken care of, so everything's good to go. So it was a productive little stop here at the Joplin 44. Where we had to go pick up our loads, and it didn't cost me an arm and a leg. I think it was less than $500 to do everything I needed to do. So that's a good day when you can spend less than 500 bucks. Right now it's the next morning. I'm just out here watching traffic go by, just let the dogs out. Good afternoon from Joplin, Missouri. We're just getting fired up after the weekend. We spent quite a bit of time here, unfortunately. I don't know, maybe it was a nice little break, I'm not sure yet. But anyways, we are on our way to our pickup. It's 13 miles away. So thanks for being here. Thanks for stopping back. Remember, We can move a lot of things across this country, but the one thing we can't do is grow this channel without your help. So please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share this out with your friends. Hey y'all, if you're interested in expediting and you want to give it a shot, and you have a Class A or Class B CDL, same household teams are preferred. They've got a great support system for drivers, and they're always there to help. No matter what time of day, they're there for you. And they also are dog friendly. So if you have pets and you want to bring them with you, contact Hyfield. They're there to reach out to.
1-833-493-4353. Option 1.
Thanks, guys. Let them know J Squared Expediting sent you. Y'all, I'm thinking they gave us the wrong address. I'm fixing to go in here and find out, but I think they gave us the wrong address. Because this doesn't look like where we're supposed to be, but we'll find out here in just a second. My fault. I told her to air it up before we pulled off. I should have had her pull ahead a little bit before she aired up. I got a replacement one in the back though, just like that one over there on that side. So I'll throw a replacement one on there. We'll be good to go. But we are loaded and on our way to South Carolina. So let's go. Well, y'all, we are loaded back up. As you seen, we're gonna stop by Walmart real quick to get a few things, and now we're back out. So I'm turning around at the Walmart right now, and we're continue heading to South Carolina to get out of this little town. But I've noticed something about Missouri and parts of Oklahoma so far that I've called the corner parts. Their Walmarts are very small. We went to Kansas City last week, and they had a pretty small Walmart too. So I don't know, but this is another kind of small Walmart here. So anyways, let's get out of here, get back on the road, and keep heading to South Carolina. Y'all, well, we have stopped. It is now 7:08 in the PM. I stopped for my 30-minute break. I'm gonna run inside this Love's and get me an energy drink. And the wife is going to let the dogs out for me, which I greatly appreciate. And we'll get back on the road here after a 30-minute break. They're wanting to go outside, big time. They like her taking her out more than me. I don't know why, but she's their favorite human. Anyways, let me get this 30-minute break kicked out of the way, and we'll be back with you.
afternoon. Good morning for me. We have made it to Manchester, Tennessee, south of Nashville. We are switching out here at the Loves. Well, good morning. We have made it to Charleston, South Carolina. We're here at where we're delivering, and we are now on a door. Pretty uneventful night. We made it here. It is 11 o'clock Eastern. You don't really have to be here until 2 o'clock, but they kind of told us to run it straight through, so that's exactly what we did. So we're here on a door, waiting to get unloaded.
All right, y'all. Signed, sealed, and delivered.
It's theirs.
We are done for the day. Hopefully not done for the day, but we're done for right now. We're gonna head to the truck stop. We're gonna call in, see if there's anything out of here, if they want us to move somewhere else. And that's that for this load. So appreciate y'all being here. Thanks for stopping back. Remember, be good to one another.
And make next night another day.
And we're out, y'all. Forgot to shut the doors. We're driving around with our doors open like a bunch of hooligans. We'll shut these up real quick. Y'all have a good day. We'll see you on the next one.